Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to study about some facts about the data science and also some components of the data science. Okay, so head back to the PPT and let's begin. So as you can see here, data is everywhere and it's a digital world. Data is generated in the past few years, which is huge. Okay, so every second there is large data that gets generated in this highly digitized world. Okay, so some of the few interesting facts about digital data are so there were around 40,000 search queries every second on Google, which makes it 3.5 billion searches per day and 1.2 trillion searches per year. That's huge, right? So in 2017, a staggering 1 trillion photos were taken and billions of them were shared online. So as you can see, we are in 2023, so it might have been tripled around. Okay, so by 2020, over 50 billion smart devices will be connected to collect, analyze and share data. It also have been doubled, I think so. So by 2020, universe of data will grow from 4.4 zettabytes today to around 44 zettabytes or 44 trillion gigabytes. So these are some astonishing facts about the data in today's world. So head back to the next slide. So the basic components of data science are, so data science consists of machine learning, computer science, linear algebra and probability and statistics. Okay, so it also does consist deep learning concepts also like CNN, RNN and ANN, which we will study. But these are the four building blocks of data science, that is machine learning, computer science, linear algebra and probability and statistics. Okay, so what is probability? So probability is nothing but it gives us the likelihood of the occurrence of any event. For example, if you are tossing the coin, so the occurrence of head or tails, it gives its likelihood, right? So let's get to the definition here. So probability is a mathematical subject which enables in determining or predicting likelihood of an event to happen. Okay, so the probability of occurrence is assigned a value from 0 to 1. When the value assigned is 1, it implies that the event will happen with all certainty. On the other hand, when it is 0, it implies that the event is not likely to take place. That means if it is 1, then the event is likely to happen. For example, if we say that tomorrow there is a probability of rain and the probability is 1, that means tomorrow is going to rain. But if we say that the probability is 0, that means it's not going to rain. Okay, so this is the basic definition of probability. Now next is statistics. So statistics is divided into two types, that is inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. So in case of descriptive statistics, we will study about variance, covariance, correlation, then mean, median, mode. Okay, and in case of inferential, we will study about hypothesis testing, then z test, t test, etc. Okay, so the definition goes like this, like the statistics is another mathematical subject which deals primarily with data. Okay, it helps to draw inferences from data by having procedures in place for collecting, classifying and presenting the data in an organized manner. The analysis and interpretation of defined data helps in providing further insights. So basically statistics acts as a basic building block of data science. So whatever you are doing with the data, stats is involved. Okay, so have a thorough understanding of statistic concepts so as to get the data science concepts easily understood. Okay, so what is machine learning? So in 1959, Arthur Samuel defined machine learning as a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. That means if you give someone a task repetitively, it will learn by themselves, right? So in similar way, a machine can learn something by giving it some task. Okay, so how can a machine learn? Suppose a computer program is set to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P. If its performance at task in T as measured by P improves with experience E, that means in short, the performance of the machine will increase as you provide the task to it. For example, suppose you are giving a data set to a machine, it will learn the data set and the data from the past and it will try to predict the future. For example, in case of stock analysis, we take the past data and try to predict the movement of stocks in terms of future, right? So whatever task we are providing here is the data, that is we are feeding it, and whatever experience it's gaining from the past data, it takes the experience points and it will try to predict the data in the future. Okay, so in such a way a machine can learn and give us the proper predictions. Okay, So this is the overall flow of the data science. So how does it takes place? For example, here there is an historical data, that is past data. So take any industry, let's take the industry of the bank or the financial industry. Suppose you have the data of past consumers, like their past loan, then EMIs, etc. Okay, so you collect this data and then you will organize it in a proper way and bring it in a proper format. After that you will do feature engineering. So what is feature engineering? Feature engineering is nothing but you will select the proper columns, proper rows, and you will deal with the missing values, null values. Then again you will get back to the correlation factors, outliers, etc. So you will clean the data in feature engineering and you will select the important features of the data that will help you in the prediction. Okay, so after that you will split the data in two times, that is train data and the test data. And after splitting the data, you will run the algorithm, whichever machine learning algorithm you are running. So you will build the model here, and after that you will validate the model on the test data. Okay, so in model validation you will do all sorts of validation techniques to analyze that your model is working properly. So after you come to a conclusion that your model is working efficiently, what you will do is you deploy this model to the cloud, and whatever new data you are getting from like present or the future, whatever new data you will be getting, right, so you will feed it to this model, and this model will in terms it will predict the results. Okay, so this is all about the machine learning and the components of data. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, take care, bye bye.